bend it forward a little bit more. Give it a little bit of a curve. And then you can bend. Now I started a pretty big project with I want to make now 2 fireplace sets with all different animal heads as handles.
Okay.
So far I have 2 horse heads and 1.5 ram's heads.
That's fun.
I started working on 2 moose heads.
Pretty cool.
It's actually amazing how imagination works, because as long as you put some features which look the part, people recognize it even if it's not that accurate.
It's funny how that works, right?
So it's like, it's good enough.
A little bit. Is that coal that chops off, that flakes off, or just parts of the metal?
No, it's called scale. It's called scale. That's iron oxide.
Iron oxide?
Yeah.
Just builds up on there from the flame, right?
Actually, when
No,
it
flakes off.
Mostly when you take it out of the flame, depending, but actually a lot of oxygen going through burns at the lower part of the coal, and air reaching the metal is not that rich in oxygen anymore.
Okay.
It doesn't oxidize it too much. But when you take it out, there's a thin film of oxide forms on top.
That's pretty cool.
And as you forge it, it is hard, it is brittle, it doesn't stick to the metal, so it just pops off as you go. Let's say that as you forge, I've seen comparison. If you forge a knife, you might lose about 10% of the material due to scale.
Okay.
If you try to grind a knife out of steel, you lose close to 50% of the material.
Oh, wow. There's a big difference.
So yeah, and especially back in the day when labor was cheap, metal was expensive. Like it had to be brought from England. Delivery took about 6 months. That was express. No returns. No Amazon Prime. So
If you don't like the quality, oh well.
so after you place the order, you better be sure that you got what you wanted. But also that's why one of the reasons why you have blacksmith here, so you can fix it or change it or do whatever you need.
Okay.
Yeah, leave it like that, and then you can slap it later.
Oh, so I'll just do it off to the side and
Yeah.
flap it back into it.
This way it doesn't get in the way.
The other, yeah. Have to keep it up a little bit down there.
I think I fold it a little bit more here and then fold it all the way down. Right, Karen?
Somebody, somebody brought it here.
Yeah, nobody was there, just a few. That's what Kelly told me. Where'd you get your food She told me it just appeared here. And I don't know if somebody had it as a pet and let it go or what, but it's still leaving on
Run
that
this in a
chickens
little bit.
in this
Let's try from
area,
here.
whatever, but they tried to catch it and they couldn't catch it, so.
This,
We're gonna go back where it belongs, but trying to get you good here. I was going
Yeah,
there.
yeah. They had chickens.
it's a little too tall.
You